as soon as we can, maybe. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa. Yeah, pretty good. Yes. Edward, thank you so much. Let's go to San Bada. Manuel Antonio? Sí. Oh my god. Whoa. Ocean view. Nice. Nice, not too shabby. Wow. You'll see that. I think I'm gonna like that place. So something funny actually, we just got to our hotel room and the people from the hotel actually left that here. Honeymoon. So it is not our honeymoon, but we'll take it. Hey honey. Ouais, j'ai vu. First morning in Manuel Antonio. Hola.
Hola.
Wow.
This view.
Oh, that's cool.
That's but I was shooting low. That one is over in that tree over there.
I see.
But
Nice.
so I was shooting like 1/200th of a second trying to.
So we could, yeah, maybe you need a little bit more.
Somebody was flying a drone.
Oh well, I brought my drone, so I will definitely do that.
Somebody was flying it over here.
Today it's all about Manuel Antonio Park, so we got our tickets here and we're ready to go. Hope to see some monkeys, hope to see some birds and some snakes and stuff, so got the big gun here and we'll see what we can do. Pura Vida.
Yeah. Amazing, huh? Look at how beautiful mine and how big.
So we are ready to take that little boat here to get to Montezuma. So we have our luggage and we're ready to hit the sea and get to Montezuma there. So let's try it. And we're actually wowed and amazed by this room. It's just unbelievable. So take a look at that. This is the little master room with a shower outside. This is the little balcony that's accessible with or from the room. Little place where I'll edit my videos and photos. And this is the view from the first balcony. And what about going to the second balcony? Hola, Vicky. And this is the second balcony. Little chill area. And this is the view. Again, not too shabby. Holy shit. Hola, Vicky. Hola, Vicky.
T'as ta petite
Pura
sauce
Vida.
italienne, c'est une sauce...
Et nous avons rencontré des amis de la France.
Où ça?
Bonjour.
Non, ici. Ah, pardon.
Vous
Ah,
êtes
oui,
sur Bonjour. Bonjour. Votre nom encore, c'est?
Florence.
Enchanté, enchanté Florence. Frédéric.
Et Betty.
Betty, Frédéric, enchanté. Alors,
Enchanté.
est-ce que vous connaissez YouTube?
Yes.
Est-ce que vous êtes d'accord à aller sur YouTube dans mon vlog?
Oh, yes.
Good. Juste une petite séquence. Alors, vive la France.
Vive la France.
Beautiful day in Tortuga Island where we did some snorkeling. We saw some beautiful fish and we did some, we actually enjoyed a barbecue on the beach. That was cool. We ate some tuna, very well done. Zuma Tours is actually a very, very good company. If I can recommend any company in Costa Rica, if you want to come and to see the fish and to have a beach experience, you should go through Zuma Tours. So it's already time to go back to our villa. And there we are back to Montezuma. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au plaisir.
Au revoir le Canada.
Au revoir.
Super sympa les Canadiens.
Super. Au revoir, au plaisir.
Bonnes vacances.
Merci, à la prochaine. Yeah, that completes a very fruitful trip to Tortuga Island. Last morning in Montezuma was a great experience, and guess where we're going to grab our last coffee here and our last breakfast. Yep, the Bakery Cafe, literally the favorite spot in Montezuma. So if you come here, you should definitely grab a coffee, some French toast, and maybe an omelette, because they're really, really good. Waterfall, and it's absolutely amazing.